Hi everyone. In this series of videos, we are going to learn about Restful web services and the implementation using Spring Boot version 3. And this series of videos are hands-on and at the beginner's level. We are going to learn about the project setup, a simple welcome REST API, and handling the request parameters such as path parameters, query parameters, response body, request body, such things. And later we will be looking at the exception handling, how we are going to handle the exceptions. Next, we are going to learn about internalization for the properties. Later we will look at the documentation for the RESTful APIs and unit testing using the Spring Boot and integration test cases using Spring Boot. And for this setup, we need minimum JVM version as 17. And I'm going to use Spring Tool Suite as a IDE. You can use your favorite editor. I'll be using advanced browser to access the documentation and the Postman tool to submit the requests such as get, post, put. First of all, RESTful web services, representational state transfer. In short form, REST is an architectural style and the communication approach. Typically, it will be used in the web services, and the REST API, the result would be the plain text. Of course, it could be JSON format or the XML format or any other format, but mostly API response would be in text. Very rare scenarios where we will be using the binary format such as files uploading or file downloading or any other purposes.